Today, there is 30 billion Norwegian kroners worth in our physical inventories on Norwegian continental shelf, and up to 80% will never be used. In addition to this inventory build-up, we often experience 3 to 6 months of lead time to get the parts that we need. This represents a lot of waste. The idea of storing parts digitally and producing them on demand has been a vision for many years. This is now a reality, and it's called digital inventories. But what is it?
Digital inventories are platforms which connect all suppliers and end users in a digital supply network. In this network, the data can flow effortlessly. The processes are known and open to everyone involved.
One example from Equinor, where we had high costs with replacing cabinets, we now see that 3D printing this nylon screw saves us 100 million Norwegian kroners every year.
Using the digital inventories model, you could significantly save time, but also reduce the amount of waste produced. How? The end user chooses the product they need. The IP owner can be sitting anywhere in the world, and that recipe for manufacturing can be downloaded at a local facility. The production is then done on demand, let's say in this case, off the west coast of Norway. The final delivery can then be made to the offshore installation using traditional methods such as boats or helicopters, or just in time using, for example, drones.
Platforms like digital inventories allow for efficient value creation. By having a marketplace like the digital inventories, traditional manufacturers, logistics providers, and verifiers could offer their service either alone or bundled together, and there is no need for inventory planning cycles.
Not only does on-demand manufacturing help us be more sustainable, for example, by reducing waste, but the flexibility in where parts can be produced can bring value creation closer to home.